Welcome home to this captivating residence with great curb appeal and just a stone's throw to the entrance to Canterbury Estates. Enjoy the summer months al fresco on the oversized deck, and enjoy the large, level, fenced-in rear yard with a 460-square-foot bluestone patio with raised garden beds, a swing set, play area, and shed. Enjoy a front-to-back formal living room and dining rooms with beautiful hardwood flooring and a built-in dry bar. There's really nothing to do but move in. Completely remodeled bathrooms with granite, a new kitchen with cherry cabinetry, granite and stainless steel appliances, which is just so light-filled, and it opens into the family room with a gas insert fireplace. The finished lower-level media and playroom offers plenty of storage. The second level features a super spacious master suite that you won't want to leave. A cathedral ceiling with exposed beams, a gorgeous picture window and sitting area. A bonus office area and nursery too. Commuter options abound here in Mansfield. It's a 40-minute commute to Boston or 20 minutes to Providence, Rhode Island. 495, 95, and 24 are all within minutes. Mansfield and abutting communities offer a variety of downtown eateries, farm fresh goods, and homemade ice cream at Flint's Farm, entertainment at either the Xfinity Arts Entertainment Center, Gillette Stadium to catch a Patriots football or Revolutionary soccer game, Plain Ridge Casino, or the TPC Golf Course. Shopping at Mansfield's Crossing, Rentham Premium Outlets, or Patriots Place shops. Public and private schools are located in Mansfield and neighboring towns. Wheaton College, Dean College, Stonehill College, and Fisher are all a short commute. Mansfield is in the southwest suburbs of Boston, and it's also close to Providence, Rhode Island, giving options to travel out of Logan Airport or TF Green. Come fall in love. A real 10 at 210 Stearns. Come, call Mansfield your hometown.